In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Proof for social proof marketing and why it's a game changer for your business. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for quick tips, you'll get a solid understanding of how Proof can help boost conversions by leveraging social proof on your website. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make the most out of this tool to increase trust and sales. And you'll learn how you can get started completely free with an exclusive offer I've got for you. So let's dive right in. Proof is a software that allows you to display real-time social proof notifications on your site, showing visitors when other users are taking action. It's the kind of feature that builds trust instantly. Imagine seeing that someone just purchased a product or signed up for a newsletter. This triggers a psychological response that encourages others to act, which can dramatically increase your conversion rates. You can set up Proof to display notifications for various actions, like purchases, sign-ups, or even page views, creating a sense of urgency and FOMO, fear of missing out. The key here is to use social proof to your advantage by showing real-time activity that adds credibility to your site. This works really well when combined with urgency tactics like limited time offers or scarcity, giving visitors that final nudge to click buy or subscribe. Now, how do you get started with Proof? It's simple. First, you'll need to sign up for the software, which only takes a minute. After that, you can customize your notifications. Choose what kind of events you want to display, like recent purchases, sign-ups, or views. You can also adjust the design of these notifications to match your site's branding. This is a great way to keep everything looking consistent and professional while maximizing the impact of the social proof. What's awesome about Proof is how customizable it is. You can target specific pages or audiences with different types of social proof notifications. For example, if you're running a sale, you can target the notification to only appear on the product pages related to the sale or show specific messages to new visitors versus returning customers. This makes it more relevant and increases its effectiveness. One thing I really love about Proof is the A/B testing features. This allows you to experiment with different notifications, placements, and designs to see what works best for your audience. If you're serious about optimizing your site for maximum conversions, A/B testing is a must, and Proof makes it easy to set up and monitor. Another great thing is how quickly Proof integrates with your existing website. Whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or any other platform, the integration process is smooth and doesn't require any coding knowledge. With just a simple snippet of code, you can start displaying social proof in minutes. This is crucial for anyone who wants fast, hassle-free implementation without needing a developer. If you've been looking for a way to increase your conversions with a simple but powerful tool, Proof is a must-try. And here's the best part. You can try it for free using the exclusive link below. This will give you access to the full features, including the A/B testing and customization options, so you can see how it performs for your business. Plus, I've got some special bonuses for you, which you'll get access to when you sign up through that link. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Proof for social proof marketing, how it can benefit your business, and why it's one of the best tools for boosting trust and conversions. Don't forget, the exclusive free trial and bonuses are waiting for you, so be sure to check that out. Make sure to stay tuned for more tips on how to optimize your digital marketing strategy, and thanks for watching.